Hello friends, welcome to back to our channel Goel Wealth Insights. Today we will discuss how to calculate future value of money. There are two methods to calculate future value of money. One is the basic maths method, which is represented below in the chalkboard, that is future value is equal to present value into 1 plus r to the power n. And another way for calculating future value of money is through an Excel formula, which is depicted in the left side. So let us discuss one by one both of these terms. Firstly, let's take an example of an old method that is represented on the chalkboard. To calculate the future value of 1 lakh rupees as of now, whereas the rate of interest is 10% and time period is 10 years, we would be putting PV, that is present value, is equal to 1 lakh, R, that is the rate of return, equal to 10%, and N, that is the time, is equal to 10. So placing the formula in the chalkboard, the value of 1 lakh comes out to be 2.6 lakh. Secondly, we can do the same thing using an Excel formula, where simply we have to put a formula that is in an Excel cell equal to FV, where R is the rate of return, NPER, it is the amount or time period, PMT is the periodic monthly transaction, or the PV, total value. We can calculate by both the ways. If we have a value in hand today, what is the future value of that, or if we have a recurring amount that is coming every month, like SIP. If we do a regular SIP and we want to calculate the future value, we can do that also through that Excel formula. So here FV is equal to future value, PV is present value, R is the rate of return, and N number of years is represented by NPER. So both the formulas are depicted on the left hand side, and you can cross tally yourself. For an example, we are using it like, suppose there is a monthly SIP of 2000 rupees, annual rate of return is 12%, duration is 10%. Since it's a monthly SIP, so we need to divide the rate by 12 to get per month rate of interest, as well as the time period is to be multiplied by 12, as the tenure is being increased due to monthly payments. So since it's a 10-year duration, so our percentage would be 12 divided by 12, that is 1% would be the rate of interest for per month, and NPR would be 10 into 12, that is 120. And using this formula we would get our value. So thank you for watching the video. You will get a next formula calculating the present value using the future values and PMT in our next video. If you want more informative videos or like this, do follow us, subscribe us, and hit the like button. Thank you.